Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. I hope that you're having a great day. Today we're going to be doing the Roll and Save binder for the first time ever. I got inspiration for this binder from Bookish Mama Budgets, Lindsay. If you don't watch her or follow her, you need to go check her out right now. She does this on Saturday with Christmas. This is actually the binders that she creates. I love them. And it's funny because she started this as a little fun hobby and now it's like her full-time job. But she does Christmas and Roll and Save on Saturdays. Now, I did the Christmas video separate because I had a whole bunch of freebies that I wanted to share. So if you're looking for some Christmas freebies, you can go ahead and watch that. There's a whole bunch of them in there for you. But today we're going to do the Roll and Save. So next week, I'm going to do these to the Christmas and the Roll and Save together. But I also wanted to make sure that I know what the frack I'm doing. Because, you know, sometimes when you play a new binder, you're a little bit slower because you haven't done it before. So I've never done a Roll and Save binder before. Not that it's really that difficult, but I just wanted to make sure it had its own space. So go check her out if you want to see where I got my inspiration from. I just love her. She's just sweet and she's sweet as pie too. Oh my God. So I have $120 here. I'm not sure what I'm going to be budgeting for this month, every week for this. I'm not really sure yet. So we're just playing it by ear. All right. I got my cash tray. So we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Dang, that's a lot of fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, 20. Perfect. So we got $120 to play with. And, you know, I should have done 20s too, but I figured this is the first time playing this, so everything is empty. Everything's empty. There's nothing to, like, condense or any of that. Originally, I had written down on each challenge what dice I wanted to roll, but I saw in her last video she upgraded her. She gave it like a makeover and she put a stick. Well, she has the little tabs, so there's a sticker on each one for the die that is going to be rolled for this. So let's get started. We learn as we go. I have all my fun dice here. This was a set I found on Amazon. Isn't it really pretty? And I have my 3-sided die right here. I also got this on Amazon. I know there's a lot of buzz about these. I can link it down below. I'm not affiliated. I don't get paid. But I got a set of 4. It was $12. I know that's a lot, but I really wanted it. So I budgeted it in. Like, that's where I spend some of my money, on my budget stuff. So anyway, this first one is a D3. This is from the craft bin. Okay, I need to make a little bit of room here. I feel a little you know what it is? It's this, my little dice tray. There we go. So this is a D3 I'm going to roll, and I'm going to roll one time because in my Tiny Tuesdays I rolled twice and I didn't get to the end. I ran out of money. So let's just roll once. This is from the craft bin. Cute little gnome floating on a flamingo floater there. All right, so this is 2. All right, I'm definitely going to roll again for this one. And another 2 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to make sure everything gets touched and everything gets loved. This is going towards anniversary. And I just started that. Sinking fund anniversary. I didn't have one before. I don't know why I didn't. Like, we use our day date money for anniversary, but I secretly put together, shh, don't tell my husband. I secretly put together this little binder that's for a weekend away. So I'm going to put the anniversary money in here. And it's going to be snowball, like the 1 month ahead binder. So this is like our spending money in case we need more, $100. How we get there, $200. What we buy, $300. What we eat, $500. What we do, $500. And where we sleep, $1,000. I don't know if I'll have all of this filled by the time it's our anniversary, but I don't know. Who knows? It was actually last month, so I have a whole year to save in that. I don't have a destination, but I'm like, hey, anyway. Squirrel, sidetracked. All right, the second one is a D4. Roll a D4 and play along with me. I hope you have a wonderful, fun, and safe summer. This is from CBA Mom Saves, and this is a group play for June, July, and August. All right, so I got a 2. I'll roll one more time. And a 3. So that's a 5. And this one is going towards my husband's sinking fund. I know this is also going to be like a slow burn. It's going to take a while to finish these. All right, this next one is D6. So that's this guy. And this is from my collab with Weekly Budgets and Savvy Girl Saves. My fresh friend Veronica over at Weekly Budgets. A little blowfish. It says blow me. This is going towards car maintenance. So we got a 5. All right. So I lied. I said I was going to roll once, but I'm going to roll twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I have $120. If I can't spread $120 through 8 challenges, that's a problem. You know what? I'll leave it out for now. See how it goes. All right, this next one is also a D8. Nope, that was a D6. This one's a D8, which is this one here. And this is from Shades Budgets. How do cows like their coffee? Caffeinated. This is so cute. This is also going to car maintenance. We have discussed in several videos. 4 and a 2, it's a 6. We have discussed in several videos about getting that car maintenance up, my car fund up. All right, also a D8, the daily truck. This is from Budgeting with Kim, and it says, it's okay to be different. Well, if you met me in real life, you would think I'm different. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you do. I don't care if you identify as a boy or a girl, as a cat or a mouse or a table. As long as you're a good human and your drama doesn't spill over into my life, I don't care. And so if you want to be different, knock yourself out. I am quite different. I am tattooed. I am pierced. I colored my hair all kinds of crazy colors in college. And that was in the 90s before it was a thing. I don't really do that anymore. But anyways, moving on. It's okay to be different. Do your thing. Wear what you want to wear. Be who you want to be. Just be a good human. All right, rant over. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. This one is going to healthcare, and we got a number 5. Let's see. Yeah, let's just do 1 for that. All right, next one. Oh, this is my part of the collab. This is from Savvy Girl Saves and Weekly Budgets Co. We did an ocean theme collab. It's free on my Ko-fi. Go get you some. We each did 1 mini challenge and 2 tinies. So there's like 6 free challenges right there. It's the ocean theme. This is also going to anniversary, and this is a D10. Here we go. Oh boy, that's a 10. We're going to stop right there. All right, next one is a D12. That would be this one, I think. Yep, this guy. This is so fun. I love this. Thank you so much, Lindsay, for inspiring and doing something like this because it's so fun. All right, this one is wife. So that's going to my sinking fund. This is from Floating Funds. I'm not buying books. Well, maybe I'll buy books. I don't know. I don't really buy books. I have a Kindle. Let's roll this one. This one is a number 7. So we'll do 5, 6, 7. D12. All right, and this next one, I think, yeah, this is the last one. I should turn these around so then I don't think there's another challenge left. All right, this is D20. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is from CBA Mom Saves, and it says, be kind. Yep, this is going to the kiddies. We know them kiddies need some money. 6, we're going to roll again. And 12. Oh, 18. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I definitely will bring like maybe more 10s or 20s next time. So then I can kind of condense a little. All right, let's start from the beginning. Okay, so roll and save. D3 is a 3 and a 3. So that's 6. 5, 6. Can we condense this for 2 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we can. All right. Sweet. Probably should have just rolled once, but whatever. Whatever. Everybody's getting love. Everybody's getting love. If you're looking for box challenges, CBA Moms is the best place to go. This is a D4. CBA Mom is best place for box challenges, and they're like $3. But also, Dying Outlaw and... oh my God, what is it called? Dying Outlaw and Budgets. I'm running her playlist right now. She's a riot. She's got a ton of free ones on her Ko-fi. Like a ton. So if you're looking for box challenges because you like them, this is the place to go. CBA Mom Saves and Dying Outlaw. Let's go one more time. No, I'm not going to go again because this has enough. Maybe I can touch them all twice. All right, we're going to go in there. And this isn't something like I'm going to wait till the end of the year and count it all up and all that jazz. This is a D6. I'm going to just, when it's done, put it in the sinking fund. Put it in the month's end kind of thing for the sinking fund. All right. I don't know about you, but I have to like move the bills. I have to put the 2 5s to get the 10 to do this. Otherwise, I confuse myself. It doesn't take much sometimes. All right. This is a D8. And this is, that's not the D8. This one is the D8. Shaved Budgets. I love her. She's hilarious. Hilarious. She says the funniest things. It's her like one-liner puns that I really love. I don't remember what was happening, but she was like, yeah, and you know what? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. And I was hysterical. I think she's so funny. All right, another D8. It's okay to be different. Got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love rolling saves. Sometimes I like the instant gratification of challenges, which is why I do Mini Mondays and Freebie Fridays. But sometimes the slow burn is good too, which is why I do this and the Tiny Tuesdays and my Save for the Little Things binder. D10. Is this 10? No, that's 12. Where's 10? 8? Where the heck is 10? Have I lost my mind? Here it is. I'll be all right. I'll be all right. I'll be all right. 6. 5, 6. And I'm not doing rollovers or catch-alls or any of that. If I get to the last one, since it's the big D20 and it's going to the kitties, whatever's left, if I can't go through a third time, it's all just going to go in there. All right, this is a D12 again. 7. Oh, how am I doing? 5, 6, 7. All right, there we go. I will definitely be condensing these. But, oh, I'm so excited. This is fun. Thank you, Lindsay. This is a D20. That's the big guy. All right, we got 6 for the D20. Very cool. Oh, I love rolling saves. Oh, this was the last one. So what do we got left? 5, 10, 11, 12. You know, let's, This isn't going to last very long. Let's go to the one with the lots of circles on it. Let's see, which one was that? This one. This one has a lot of circles, so it's going to take longer to do. So let's do the D10. 12. Damn, where's that 10 again? Here it is. And see what we get. 9. Yep. 5, 10. Take out a 1. What we got? 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's take that $3 that's left and go to the D3 in the beginning because it's a 3. And we're going to put it in here. And we'll call it a 3, right? See, we just make it work. Oh, that was so fun. That was so fun. And it wasn't as bad as I wasn't as stumbling around as I thought it was going to be. So anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I have just created a mailing list opt-in for a newsletter that I share all kinds of things and meal plans and recipes and shoes, cute shoes I found on Amazon. I'm not affiliated. I don't get paid for any of it. I just like to share the joy. Every now and then I'll throw a challenge in there. Specials on my nail things, which I am a partner with, and like my greens and my protein, I'm also a partner with. I got lots of little businesses. But if you want to join the mailing list, hop on in. And if you miss me and you need some entertainment, I'm working really hard to get to my 4,000 watch hours, so I will link a playlist up here. And if you missed my Christmas with all the freebies, I will put that up here. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Stay savvy. Bye, friends.